Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear washer pump on this 2002 Chevy Suburban. And it's the same part and similar process on these Suburbans from 2000 to 2004. And the items you'll need for this is a new rear washer pump from 1AAuto.com, 10mm and 13mm socket and ratchet with an extension, 8mm wrench, flat blade screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start off by removing this 10mm bolt. And then loosen this 10mm bolt right here. And then just move this brace out of the way. Now using your 8mm wrench, you want to just loosen up both of these connections. And you start with the negative, loosen it, and then pull that off, and then remove the positive cable. Now you want to remove this 13mm bolt and pull this battery hold down up and out. And we'll just fast forward as Don removes that bolt. And the hold down will just pull right up and out. Now lift your battery out. Now remove these 7 10mm bolts in the battery tray. And we'll fast forward as Don does this. Now lift the battery tray up and out. Next, remove these 4 clips from inside your inner fender. And for the smaller clips, you want to just pry out the center, and then the bottom will pull out. And you can either use a flat blade screwdriver to pry out the center and then use pliers to pull it out the rest of the way, or you can use wire cutters and just feed them underneath it and just pull them out with those. Just make sure not to cut the clips. And for the larger ones, you just pry them out. And we'll just fast forward as Don removes those other 3 clips. Now lift up on this tab and pull the inner fender free. And then just tuck the inner fender back behind the wheel. Pull the hoses free from the side of the washer bottle. And then just remove this 10mm bolt. And we'll fast forward as Don does that. And then remove this 10mm bolt down behind the inner fender. Now if there's washer fluid inside your washer bottle, you want to just make sure you have a drip pan underneath it, and then pull the washer pumps up and out. And then disconnect your washer level sensor. And to do this, you just pull up on the tab and disconnect the harness. And then push your washer bottle down and out. The rear washer pump is the one with the black harness. Just pry up on the tab and disconnect the harness, and then pry the hose free. Take your new rear washer pump and reconnect the harness, and then reconnect the hose. feed your new washer bottle back up into place, and then take your washer pumps and push them straight back down into the washer bottle, and then back until they snap in. Now reconnect your level sensor harness, and then pull the washer bottle up into place and reclip the hoses on the side, and then replace that 10mm bolt. Just tighten it up, and then replace and tighten up this lower 10mm bolt. Now pull the inner fender back from behind the wheel and into place. And we'll fast forward as Don replaces those 4 clips. The larger ones just push right in, and the smaller ones you just push them in and then push the center in to lock them. Replace your battery tray, and then replace those 7 10mm bolts. Lower your battery back into place. And then put your battery hold down back into place. And just tighten that back up. Now reconnect your positive battery cable and tighten it up. And now reconnect your negative battery cable and tighten that up. Now put that brace back in place, and then replace that 10mm bolt and tighten it up. And we'll just fast forward as Don tightens up this 10mm bolt and the 10mm bolt at the other end of the brace. And now replace your washer fluid. Put your cap back on, and you're all set.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.